Hi, have you recently started trading in the futures and options segment and were introduced to an option chain, but are you still trying to figure out what that is? Well, let me explain. So, an option chain is a list of all options contracts available for a given underlying. Let's look at an example for easier understanding. So, here you can see I have opened the Nifty 50. Now you can see the option chain in the top right corner. Click on the option chain to see all the available options, contracts, that is put, strike prices, expiry day of the option chain, etc. For a single underlying asset, in our case, Nifty 50. So, for traders, option chains are the best single shot view on all the contracts available to trade, where you can see both the OI, that is liquidity, and the prices of each contract. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.